wondered if you can cook a whole chicken that is crispy on the outside and juicy in the inside with just one gadget and only 2 tablespoons of oil? Pwede kaya yun? Hello everyone! Welcome to Cherry Home. Today, I'm going to share with you 2 of my favorite gadgets. First, ang aking Cherry Digital Air Fryer. 4.5 liters ang capacity. Malaki siya. Tapos, ayan, tamo napakasimple. Easy touch. And for my friends that are beginners who don't really know where to start, it has 7 presets. So, like that one, fries. Oh, yan, ribs, shrimp, cake, chicken, steak, fish. That's where you can start. So now that I've introduced you to my Cherry Digital Air Fryer, let's start cooking. I have my chicken here. First thing you need to do, of course, is wash and pat dry. And then yung wings, yan, tuck in nyo sa likod para malinis at magandang tignan. Alright? And then, you put salt and pepper. Yan, I have here cilantro. Pwede rin kinchay or a combination. Okay, you put it inside the cavity. Make sure it's washed and clean. And then, you can put laurel leaves, dried laurel leaves. Tapos, kung wala kayong mga pangtali, eto na lang. You can get a knife. You can poke hole sa isang side. Shoot nyo yung isang paa. Yan. Para maganda yung chicken, you know, pag yung presentation, maganda siya. So, you just poke a hole in the excess skin. You can do this pag wala kayong mga string. Kasi minsan walang string. Then, you put your leg in there. Yan. So, this is how your chicken should look. Yan. Perfect. Now, what we need to do is, you get a piece of foil, lagay mo si chicken dyan. Ito na yung aking 1 tablespoon of oil. 1 tablespoon lang. Just rub it all over. So, ganyan nyo lang siyang mabuti. And then, you can set your air fryer to 165. Yan, 30 minutes. Open it. You can see, big capacity. Kahit yung chicken mo, 1.5 kilos, kaya niya. Okay, you just put your chicken there. And then, for every 1 kilo, you do 2 cycles of 30 minutes. So ngayon, do you believe me that your Cherry Digital Air Fryer reduces oil up to 80%? 2 tablespoons nga lang ang ginamit natin. Masarap na, matipid pa, and less guilt para dun sa mga health conscious. Actually, it also saves time because your Cherry Digital Air Fryer cooks for you. And you can do something else while it's cooking. So, habang naghihintay tayo, let me introduce to you my other gadget, ang aking Cherry Air Purifier AP100. So, you can breathe clean and purified air in your home. Kaya to up to 50 square meters, tapos touch yung buttons niya. Meron siyang 4-stage na purification, tapos you can choose na continuous or may timer mode, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. And of course, meron siyang UV light disinfection. It's really nice to know that this is in my home para lahat ng pumasok na tao and yung mga groceries, yung mga deliveries, lahat malinis. So after an hour, I removed the chicken already from the air fryer. I've cooled it down a bit. And look at this, the nice natural juices from our chicken. And then, just get your air fryer basket. And then, set your air fryer to 200 for 30 minutes for this nice golden skin. My Cherry Digital Air Fryer has already signaled that it has finished cooking. Let's check. Oh my God, look at my chicken. Nice and crisp and perfect. I'm going to let this rest for 10 minutes before serving to keep all the nice juices inside. It's really nice to have your Cherry Digital Air Fryer because of the 360-degree circulation. As you can see, it's nice and golden brown all over without having to turn it. If you're ready to buy your Cherry Digital Air Fryer or the Cherry Air Purifier AP100, you can go to cherryshop.com.ph. You can also go to Lazada, Shop Cherry Home, or to Shopee Cherry Home PH. You can also join the Cherry Viber community. Don't forget, follow nyo kami sa Facebook at Instagram at Cherry Home PH. So enjoy more convenient and healthier meals and a safe home with Cherry Home. Thank you for watching! Kain na!